Morning students. In the last video, we have studied the action of acids and bases on certain indicators. The action of an acid on an indicators appear to be opposite to that of a base. Here in this video, we will describe the action of an acid on a base and that of a base on an acid by performing the following activity, or we can say I will demonstrate it the process of neutralization firstly by an activity. There is an activity 5.5 given in your NCERT books. What is given in this activity? You have to take a test tube and you will 1/4 of this test tube with dilute HCl. Dilute HCl means dilute hydrochloric acid, and you will note its color. You know this is colorless. Now you will add a few drops of phenolphthalein, which is an indicator to this dilute hydrochloric acid. On adding 2-3 drops of phenolphthalein to dilute hydrochloric acid, you will observe that there is no color in the solution and it is colorless. There is no change in color. Now what you have to do, now in this test tube in which you have added dilute hydrochloric acid and a few drops of phenolphthalein indicator. Now in this test tube, drop wise you will add a solution of sodium hydroxide. You will add it one by one, drop by drop. Firstly, add to the acidic solution of this hydrochloric acid a drop of sodium hydroxide by a dropper and stir the test tube. There will be no change in color. Continue adding the sodium hydroxide to this test tube continuously, drop by drop, while stirring till the pink color just appears. You will see after some time, when you continue adding drops of sodium hydroxide to this test tube, a stage will come when pink color will appear in the test tube. Now after observing this pink color, again add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid to the test tube. What do you observe? You will see that again pink color changes to colorless. Now again you will add only one drop of sodium hydroxide, again pink color appears. So in this way we can say when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. So this activity demonstrates the process of neutralization. In the same way, when an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. This process is called neutralization. So in brief, we can say the reaction between an acid and a base to form a salt and water is called neutralization process. When you will perform this activity and touch the test tube, you will see that this test tube becomes hot. It means some heat is also evolved during this process. Some heat is released out, and this is an exothermic process. So we can say when acid, I have written acid plus base, means when acid and base react together, it makes salt water, and in this process heat is evolved, and such type of process is called neutralization process. Now what is the importance of neutralization process in a everyday life? First one is indigestion. You know, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid, and this acid helps in the process of digestion. Sometimes what happens, due to overeating or eating spicy food or oily food, more hydrochloric acid is produced in the stomach. This excess acid causes irritation, which is called acidity, and to have relief from this acidity, we generally take an antacid tablet or some gel. These antacid tablets actually contain aluminum hydroxide or magnesium hydroxide. You know, you generally take ENO, which is a which contains magnesium hydroxide, because these are weak bases. So there is acid in your stomach and we are taking ENO, it contains a weak base. When acid react with base, they both neutralize each other and we feel relief from the acidity. In the same way, sometime we can also take baking soda, which is called sodium bicarbonate, to get relief from the acidity, because baking soda is also a base which can neutralize the effect of acid. Second one is to treat an ant bite. Sometime when an ant bite, we feel irritation. ant bite stings contain formic acid, which is also called methanoic acid. When an ant bite, it injects the formic acid into the skin, and due to this formic acid we feel irritation and swelling. To get relief from irritation or swelling, we can apply the baking soda paste over this affected area, because baking soda is basic in nature and it can neutralize the effect of formic acid. So we can say neutralization process is again used here to get relief from the ant bite. In the same way, it is this process is also used in soil treatment. How? Each crop needs a specific type of soil. The soil may be acidic, basic or neutral, but plants do not grow properly if the soil is too acidic or too basic. So what happens, due to excessive use of nitrogen fertilizers, the soil becomes basic, and to neutralize this basic soil we have to use certain acid so that the crops can be grown properly. In the same way, sometimes soil is too acidic and it can be neutralized by adding quicklime, or we can say calcium oxide. So if the soil is acidic, we add some basic substances to it, and if the soil is basic, we have to add certain acidic substances to it to make it neutral so that the crops can grow properly. In the same way, to neutralize the factory waste, the industrial waste is either too acidic or too basic. Too much of acid or base must be neutralized before discharging this waste into some rivers, because it may be harmful for the aquatic life. So if there is two acids present in the factory waste, we have to neutralize it with some base, and if it is basic, we have to use certain acids to neutralize this. So we can say here again neutralization process plays a major role. And last one is in the treatment of tooth decay. Student, tooth decay is caused by the acid produced due to bacterial decomposition of the food particles which remain sometime in our teeth. This acid causes decay of the tooth, and to rectify it, what we do brushing. To prevent tooth decay, we should brush teeth properly with toothpaste. Why we are using the toothpaste? Because this toothpaste is slightly basic, so it neutralizes the excess acid which is present around the teeth, and in this way we are prevented from the tooth decay. So neutralization process plays a major role in everyday life. Thank you.